Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is July mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Cancer. King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Under the deck, Hangman, Six of Swords, Seven of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. I think there is no stability in this connection right now. Maybe you keep waiting on this person. You're still waiting on them. But you're fed up with this energy. Waiting. Cancer. Then you decided to move on from this person. Moving towards calm water. But still you're feeling stuck. And there is some spiritual awakening is going. Yes. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Wands, Knight of Cups and Four of Cups. Yes, there is missed opportunity. For some you are separated. Even though for some you are in relationship with this person right now, this is on and off. For some, a brand new person is already entered in your life. If not, they will, because Knight of Cups, they are in slow moving energy. But you are taking your control back, Queen of Wands. You want to be stable, especially emotionally. You don't want to depend on anyone emotionally. So that's why you are taking your control back. You are on your power. Yes. Then present, High Priestess, King of Pentacles and the Emperor. So you are manifesting money. You are creating more money. You are totally focusing on your career, on your abundance. And you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. Manifesting. You are doing manifesting techniques to manifest whatever you want. At the same time, you are on your power. You are working on your inner strength. Cancer. Then future, Seven of Wands, Seven of Cups and King of Wands. I think you both are equal. You both are on the same page. So, you both are very powerful and very passionate couple. But there are some issues. And you are very defensive. You have options. Cancer. For some you have options. For some you are in some confusion. Which one you have to choose. Or for some there is no clarity in this relationship. Maybe you are in confusion. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Knight of Cups, Nine of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles. Yeah, they have romantic feelings for you and they really want to come forward, but they're in slow moving energy. Yeah, this could be your past person coming back to you. And yeah, your person, yeah, they are also very independent person, especially emotionally, because Queen of Wands and King of Wands, you both are very strong couple. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Again, Queen of Wands. Strength. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo. Those who are in separation, right now your person feeling sad and they're stuck on you. They do love you and they want brand new beginnings with you. They want to begin with zero again. They want to start with again. And they want to make action. For some, They're scared, but they're working on themselves to make action to come forward, and they're in the process of making decision. Judgment is here. Yeah, they're planning to take action. So let's see their intentions. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. They are heartbroken. They are at some crossroads. A lot of issues going. Maybe they hurt you in past, now they're wanting you back, but they're scared. That's why they're not expressing their feelings. But they wanna make action, they are planning, they are working on their inner strength to come forward. But they're wishing for this connection. They want you back. But there are some issues. Still, your person is at some crossroads. Maybe family could be the issue here. They're not accepting your love or whatever. They're at some crossroads. Maybe they're juggling between you and their career, you and their family. But they really miss you so much, Cancer. And they want brand new beginnings. But here, a lot of issues. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. They want success in this connection, but there are a lot of obstacles in this relationship you both have to overcome. So they're coming back with an apology and they're missing you so much. They're losing their nights over you and they're wishing for this connection. Wow. Yeah, they are coming back with an apology, and children's also involved in this connection. And for some, you are in separation. So Cancer, this relationship is becoming hard work for you. That's why you're concentrating on yourself, on your abundance, on your self growth. Yes, because this connection putting you a lot of anxiety and depression in you. That's why maybe you decided to end this connection with this person for some, but they're coming back. So let's see the mutual. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. Yeah, hot and cold. You are focusing on your career. One person is ready to work on this relationship, but one person setting boundaries, cutting other person off. It's up to you to accept or reject, but I'm seeing you decided to cut off this person from your life. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Because they always keep putting in waiting. Still, they want you, but still they're at some crossroads. No clarity. Lot of work to do in this relationship, even though they're coming back. Third party involved. Past person return. Options. Twin flames. Reconciliation. I feel so alone. Third party involved, past person return, options, reconciliation, twin flames, and I feel so alone. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Conclusions are within reach, full moon eclipse. So if you are waiting for any conclusions, so conclusions are coming very soon, especially when full moon is going. And look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius energy. So if you want to achieve anything but you are not believing, but this is the message for you, look at the bigger picture. Definitely everything will possible. You have to believe first. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.